Hey everyone, my name is Michelle. I am a kindergarten teacher and market gardener and certified organic garlic farmer here in the valley. I started this journey with the local harvest about 4 years ago when I first took the gardening course from complete novice, knowing absolutely nothing about growing anything. I wanted to just grow vegetables in my raised beds back here, and what I learned was profound and significant, and it transformed our entire way of doing things here on this property and on this land. I learned so much about no-till, organic and beyond organic gardening that I went home passionate, and I told everyone in my family, and we transitioned immediately to a no-till gardening lifestyle. And 4 years later, we are here with a certified organic 1.5-ish acre garlic farm. I have taken the gardening course twice, and I plan on taking it again next year. This course has something for everyone, from beginner, novice, where I was 4 years ago, just, put everything in the ground May long weekend and I just hope for some food, to 4-season growing, as well as amending your own soil and taking in all of your own debris and what we used to call garbage or waste. Now we use it all and we reincorporate it back into the land. And one of the really great things about this gardening course is that not only does it teach you the basics, but if you want to dive deeper, it provides you that opportunity to learn more about giving back to the land in a way that is even better than before you found it. And as market gardeners and organic farmers, we take a lot out of our ground. We ask a lot from our soil, and we have to give back to it the same way that we take from it. And so this course has taught me not only how to grow in the summer, plant everything May long weekend, if that's where you're at, but it's also taught me how to grow succession crops all throughout the summer, so that lettuce that you love, you can have every week, not just 1 week when it all becomes ready to harvest. Another thing that this course brings to people is community. The community that this course has brought me has been diverse and extremely, extremely profound. At times when it feels like, heat domes are breaking us and atmospheric rivers are flooding us, at those times it's when this community pulls together and really inspires you to continue on and brings together this sense of camaraderie, this group of people that really love what they're doing and want to give back, and that's equally as amazing. So no matter where you are in your journey, please join us in the local harvest gardening course. There is something for everyone. And the most amazing thing about this course is that no matter where you are, it's virtual. And if all you can take from it this year is how to get some seeds in your hand and when to put them in the ground, maybe next year you'll be ready to dive into that soil, that living soil food web that's so, so vital. And if next year that's what you tackle, great. The following year, maybe you'll be ready to dive into using your waste as compost. There's always something to take from it, and it offers so, so much more.